ke Shillong Municipal Bone hagasngi balang kala Sdang bansa mi kidukan jeng ki bede madan hapo ke jaka yang kali jeng ke MUDA hagani ke jing sam ye ki jaka bede jing dia la Sdang hagapor no paisngi da ka ba pen khalai nusep ya ki bede madan ban jid hi ya ki slip khnang bakin yo shong no na do ka sngi balang Haswa kani kalau donru ke jingpen mana na ke SMB ya baro ki baladan ya ki certificate of vending bakin kan riano na kendailan ha kapor alshipawa mensngi shapo ki dukan bala penkre ha MUDA Hakani ke jingsa mi ki dukan kala mipan kawei ke kynhun hapo ke jinglam ke kong Angela rengat kiba la Pyrshah ya ke jingpen khalai nusem Naba kilo ong baka Meghalaya High Court ka kalambata ya kane ka benta kadba CEO ka SMB upike boro ulo ong baka ni ka jingpen khalai nusem kamut bansa mi kidukan haba shit basai ban dan ka jing sha liang bat ka shangben hala ka jong ka nusem kadba ka nong ai buit ka seng ki ba de madan ka kong Angela rengat kala penpau jing Pyrshah ban ong baka yeng bishar high court ka klem dala hukum ni batha ban pelong da ka khalai nusip henry ka SMB kala penken ya ka an
who have already collected the COB from the office of the municipal board. I would like to inform you that as for the direction issued by the Honorable High Court order, we have already constructed the vending space at the designated location on the first of the MUDA complex. And to allow this space, we have developed the very transparent process. It will be a through work. So the power the part of the Lalu di COB bagian pet high COB ke train di item of train ni begitu. Ini kimar begitu. Atau apa kata COB. Wah, train batai ingin batai kini kita song joki mak peroper. Di nak batai kita ke part itu kita kidong dia bagian pet itu COB. Bagi yang pada seperti jaka. Bagi ni ki officials napo slow of the board dan lagi naganya ki district authorities disedon hantu in saya pek itu nomor di store. Ketawa kalau boleh begini akan diganti lain usul kalau kanun kaji ini sekian part bagi ayah ibu semua ibu sendiri kalau kita tak sampai pek rupi penjin rupi ke store jam yo kita lagi sebab pen biar kita lagi surat hantu insyaallah sudah. Wah, kata-kata dia harus bawa prinsip ulama pergi itu COB ini besar nanti boleh nabi ayo satu sebelum itu sudah waktu atau jaka show people boleh. Wah, nanti kita sebagai kita ini kembali kembali tur dan apa yang kita ikan jaka kebangkitan nanti saya bila kerja kita itu kerja itu benar nanti bisa kalian sedang ketika bawa tap Islam ketua Islam kita tetap hadir dia minta ini polisi ada terus depan wah besok besok rumah hentai hadir itu boleh iswan dan di jalan di jalan di blanket di setri di kamar plastik di sesuatu dan hentai yang panjang. Wah, itu kita lantai hadir dari restoran kami. Nanti apa di soal sekibadi cuti, sekibadi handicraft, sekibadi kalian. Wah, tentang sekibadi kesialan ini, sekibadi kecingdeng ini. Di sama sekali fruits vegetable wala usko naam hai chhatri fruits wala is row mein
madan ki bawan lam ya ka an ka ka jala wat kam ya klet ya kata ide ki nong de madan ki ba ya thik ka kun ka an maka dran kata ka TVC ro ka de na ka jing menjur jam ki nong de madan no you listen first till now there is a PTVC as per the law because the hawkers have cooperated. It is because of us that a survey could happen on the ground. If it is left to you, similar incompetency and similar way of functioning, non-transparent, autocratic, it has happened.
You want to make it transparent
You are
by
not.
doing note.
You're not.
You may say
You're not.
No.
You make it transparent
No,
by
please
ensuring
listen to me
that
also.
every decision as per the
No, no,
2014 law has to come out of a PTVC. We have to shout when you don't listen to us in a meeting.
carry on more. Carry on. Allow us to
We are only left to shouting because all the democratic processes, you have stampeded them. Please give me the notification. Give me the notification in my hand. Give me. I've got a notification. No, you give it in writing. You give it in writing that the PTVC has agreed to the system. You give it in writing. I did have a lottery system.
Notary system is
The High Court
there.
said, the High Court said, you please finalize the list. Has the list been finalized?
Yes.
The list has not been finalized. You are in contravention of the High Court order. You are contravening